Organizations and individuals that are incredibly successful know one thing, and you've heard it before. What got you to where you are now will not get you to where you want to be tomorrow. They're always looking for that little 1% variable of how do I increase and become more efficient and effective as an individual myself? How do I do that for the people around me? And how do we build an organization that's thriving, that's fun, that has a culture of success that allows us to move forward in the marketplace of tomorrow? Hi, I'm Jeffrey Magee, and for decades I've had the unique experience of benchmarking and serving with the absolute elite of the startup business leaders across the world, as well as entrepreneurs, Fortune 100 C-suite, and cutting-edge association leaders and military generals. Talent development is the area I have dedicated the past 30 years to, having designed and delivered improvement initiatives to tens of thousands of professionals through keynotes, training programs, and online learning portals. I'm honored that much of my IP today is incorporated into many of the leading training firms' courseware across America and leveraged by many of the leading talent development specialists within SHRM, ATD, Vistage, and within many of the graduate school's best practice models today. Success is both an art and a science, and the math of success is very clear. Throughout the more than 24 books I've written, translated into 21 languages to include 4 bestsellers and 4 graduate management textbooks, I have field tested what success and failure looks like within my own businesses and with our clients. And I would love to have the opportunity to explore that with you and help you to take your organization to the levels you want to take it.